What's up, guys? Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. Let's make this delicious creamy mango ice cream. Now everybody know that in Jamaica the time is so hot, y'all, and we need to keep ourselves hydrated. So we're gonna make this ice cream. So let's begin. Now I added my mango chunk to the blender. Now I'm using the food processor, so if you want to use a blender you could always do so. Now bear in mind that for me I use any type of mango, cause guess what, guys, I normally strain it. So I'm gonna blend it and then I return. Now I am straining the mango, right? When you strain it, you have a smooth and nice ice cream texture. So that is why I like to do so. Now y'all, after straining, it's gonna be smooth and nice. You don't want a strand, a mango strand in your ice cream, alright? Even though you could use a mango that has less strands, like the Julie mango, but I didn't have the Julie and the East Indian, so me as I'm have, alright? Now I'm adding some condensed milk. Now you add the condensed milk to your taste, but I don't like it extremely sweet, cause guys, too much sweet is not good for you. Alright, so I try cut down on my sugar levels. So even though I'm not diabetic, but you still have to take care of yourself. Alright, so mix it nicely. It's not gonna be as thick as you had it before, since you add the condensed milk. Alright, but this is the way to go, guys. For me it's better for me to mix it with the mango than to add it individually when I'm making the ice cream. Alright, so I have my chill bowl and my chilled whisk. You want to ensure that it's very cold, whereas your cream will whip up nicely. Alright, you don't want no hot bowl because it's gonna take too long for the cream to whip, or it may never whip properly. Alright, now this is my cream of choice. I'm using the Ellen Ver whipping cream. However, you can use heavy cream or any other cream that you like, any other brand. Alright, this is the one I got, so may use them up. Alright, it works good, so that's fine for me. Now I added the whipping cream into the bowl. Now I like to start on a low speed, and then as I go along I increase. Alright, I'm not just start on high. That's not me. I don't do it that way. This is my way. I always do it this way, and the ice cream always come out creamy and delicious. So if I do it another way, don't judge me, and I will never judge you. Okay, so just gradually mix your cream until it becomes frothy like this, and then I increase it to medium. Now my mixer, it has 3 speeds. Now 1 is the lowest, right? So I use 1 first, and then I increase to 2, and then I go to 3. However, as I said, you have to take it in stages. Okay, so bear that in mind. Now so far maybe about 5-6 minutes into whipping, this is how it looks. Now because you're going to add the mango mixture and it's watery, so you want to make sure that you whip it more. Alright, so I'm just adding the mixture that I prepared earlier. So I'm going to mix on like a medium speed, okay, until all of it is fully absorbed. Alright, all of it is fully mixed out. Now guys, I forgot to mention that you could add some citrus, right? So you could add some lemon juice, a little bit, but I don't like to add any to mine. This is just perfect for me. The lemon juice will give it that nice taste to it. All right, but it tastes so good this way also. Now to the chill bowl, y'all, I'm adding the ice cream mixture. Now I'm gonna place it in my refrigerator, in my freezer, for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Now I like to add aluminum foil over it so that it prevents ice crystals from forming. Now I removed it from the fridge, let it thaw for about 2 minutes, and then I scoop some. Alright, I didn't get to show that part, guys, because the place was so hot, so I had to be moving fast. But this is the end product, and I hope you enjoyed the video.